OKFM 101.7.
DKB. Marco, why do you attack ladies like that?
Why do I attack ladies?
Yes.
Which is who and who?
Efia Odo, for instance. Wababa Beka say on packaging who so say
a lady, not ladies. So why would people put it that way?
Okay.
Obi are they not wrong?
And then Efia Odo are wrong.
And those who almost say I fight ladies or I argue with ladies too. Have they seen what happened between me and medical? Me and
why am I on the phone with DKB? Like, it doesn't worth my hair.
I always feel my mentor. I always put the record straight. I don't pretend. And family, what about gender? Obi, rough, Obi, and it's not about the gender.
Now, if you're the why or day, now who attacking a brand?
Okay.
If you're the why or day, now who attacking a brand?
Okay, so this is what happened that day. Now I make sure I post. Okay, this showbiz, we are in our showbiz, minding our business, working, and I believe that we showbiz like alcohol. Now, why wouldn't she was showbiz? And you say we are season actress, and we win awards for being a top actress. And now, you sing, and maybe you are a female vocalist, or even you are an MC. Nothing you do for the industry.
Oh, so do you say if you don't? What's if you don't your criminal industry? No, how?
Okay.
How?
But you just asked there a few seconds ago, said, you asked there. I was listening. So there's nothing she does for the industry apart from being naked, half naked.
Oh.
So if you don't do anything for the industry, how then do you come up to defend the industry?
So if she does nothing,
yeah, you woman, we know what we are doing, and we are inspiring the youth.
Nigga, you're not making no money from them for movies. That's what you're talking about.
Okay, now if you just hold on, man, making a point anyway. Yeah.
I've inspired.
He has no point. The thing is,
no, you just listen to his point. You listen to his point. Let him learn and educate him.
Well, I won't. You see, this is all in discipline.
Efia, educate him. Efia, allow him to learn and educate him.
You won't even allow the person to talk. You can tell the background of the person if the person behaves this way.
Okay, but DKB, let's face the fact. If Efia Odo does nothing, how come she? Your argument is based on the fact or the point that she is irrelevant or she's not doing anything meaningful in the industry. Yet she's she's brand ambassador. No. Wait. DKB, Back Planet ambassador Okaho, Huawei ambassadors Okaho.
Movie.
No. If she does nothing,
let me talk. She's currently the only reason why I spared her, when we had that argument and she came to attack me, insulting me on Instagram, the only reason I spared her was because of the fact that I'm also trying to bet talent. I have a lot of rundown on this girl. Lot of things.
My nigga, I don't care what you have. Like, you have no rundown about me because you don't know me. You talk shit like every fucking that's about her behavior. All you people want to talk about people. Do something with your life. Like, stop worrying about me.
I am trying to company with this thing.
You're too worried about me, bro.
To reveal all these things. I mean, go secret for all. Big brave. They won't hear.
You don't know nothing about me. You're a pussy ass nigga. Like,
because she didn't give him like a blasting snapper.
You're a bitch. Let me show you something today.
Let me tell you something today. Now me here of the comedy show. I'm the only person for your friends, and thanks to them, Ghana Tourism Authority for supporting me when I did that. Kojo Enim, British Got Talent, was going to come to Ghana first before Michael Blackson. And my intention was, hello?
Yetio.
Very good.
Onusuba responded, NGBA.
The Ghanaian guy on British Got Talent was going to come to Ghana first before Michael Blackson. So I made my point, say,
as you mad because I came to Ghana
comedian, or as a forerunner of Ghana comedy, I thought, okay, these guys are international comedians. As they are coming down, I need to connect them to my people. It's on record. You can go Google and check. I invited Kojo Enyim to Year of Return Comedy Night. And he came to hang out with the rest of the comedians. Kirsten was even there. He hung out with MJ, Warris, all the comedians. That is morale building. Because he is an international comedian and he's giving them morale.
Okay, DKB, me pacho, wakasa bebre, me pacho.
2 weeks later, Michael Blackson came down to Ghana.
Fine.
So I was looking out for who in Ghana is going to hang out with him. So that maybe
Michael Blackson is my friend. Michael Blackson is funny face friend. I don't think I open Michael Blackson number.
I saw say or no any funny face, and I'm there hanging out. So the time was 2:14.
How can you give somebody's number out without asking the person?
2:14. What the fuck? I can show the station. Let me tell you, a year or two, no. Make Mama Ghana, and I can make Ghana no sweet time again. That's the only thing. The same time, 2:14, do that funny face. Funny face immediately dropped the number to me. So no one said, it's short.
Yeah, can you take me off hold? I want to hang up the second phone.
Okay, DKB, me pacho. DKB. Wakasa eye. Me pacho. DKB, me pacho. Wakasa kakra eye. Hold on for me.
Let me finish. So I make this thing clear for people to know. I know what you know. Maybe number my way, and I help. I confused.
Huawei wanted to contact me already. What the fuck they got it from you? Are you stupid?
But Huawei
are you stupid? Who the fuck you think you are?
So no, who in this world doesn't ask for phone number? Nothing me besides my black phone number for him to hang out with Ghana community.
You a bitch. You a bitch ass nigga. You mad because they want to give like a black number? How can you give somebody number without asking the person? What's the ask the person?
And then they came to sign and gave you money. You are a hypocrite. Who's else is support people in the industry? We need support. You can't even support by saying the phone number. But I send your phone number without asking you.
Okay, all right. So DKB, hold on. Wakasa. DKB, me pacho. This is radio. DKB, this is radio. Please, this is radio. We are having a conversation. Me pacho, Wakasa, DKB here. Hold on.
No proof of nothing.
Hello, Efia.
Hello.
Efia.
Yeah.
DKB and Emma Huawei contact connection deal. Now I didn't know also Michael Blackson number so the bebano. DKB my Efia Odo quiet. DKB allow Efia Odo to talk, please.
When DKB asked me, I said, let me ask Michael first because ultimately for being number somebody without asking the person, it's not right.
And
I said he's not just anybody, he's a celebrity. Okay, and I know he doesn't like that. Me no. I know madam for you, me madam for. So when he asked Michael first, Michael, you're bad now. I'm like, what do you mean for your bad? Like it's not right. Let me ask him for now and I asked funny face said, why he even left Michael a voice social or phone channel because or the number out without asking his permission. Call funny face and ask funny face. You can't just get somebody's number like that. You have to ask the person. Because let me see that, see the number out without somebody telling me first. I don't care what it is.
Right, so Efia
Huawei wanted to work with me already, not because of you. DKB, you're not God to assign blessings to me. Huawei wanted to work with me, and you were able to link it up. That's it. I didn't need anything.
na mpacho saka sanenye Efia
I'm here.
Pacho saka sanenye. Why?
No, so you guys
No. We're on radio.
DKB. What I did is foul. I don't like this. This is so negative. All this energy into this is so negative.
But please don't use any foul word on radio. Sorry. But please don't use any F word on radio, please.
I didn't say any F word. I didn't say no F word.
No, please. All right, so
I never said any F word.
So now we understand that there's an issue between you and DKB with regards to Michael Blackson's contact you failed to give to DKB.
There's no issue, please. There's no issue. DKB, or you're a clout chaser. Okay, he's been attacking me on Twitter for a long time, and I don't respond to him. But he likes the whole day.
Okay, Efia, you are in New York now. You are in America, and you know that America has entertainment industry, which controls about 20 to 30% of America's GDP, and so we are aspiring that Ghana's creative arts entertainment industry will also contribute to our gross domestic product. Now, if actors and players in the industry will snitch on each other or come and fight each other, will tarnish each other's image, affect each other's brand publicly, how is it going to make the players and the industry attractive to corporate Ghana to invest in your brand? Is this something that you guys have to fight over because you're looking for a contact and somebody is this have a lot of issues and secrets about you here and there?
Minding my business on social media, and I was tweeting as I usually do. I did not call DKB to come and attack me. If DKB had a problem with what I said, he could have directly messaged me or text me or something. But because he was looking for attention and clout, he had to publicly come on social media to insult me.
Yeah, so DKB, as also a senior player in the industry, is it fair to attack your fellow creative arts, entrepreneur on social media?
Please, what has she created?
No, but that is not fair. You admitted that
No.
Even if she has not contributed anything, is it right to attack her brand?
She's a fellow creative art person. She's a socialite. She's not a creative art person. What has she created? Abeko, the Pluto Bonanza. They are wrong. She hasn't created anything. My problem, the reason why I responded was because we are in our showbiz space. We are hustling day in, day out, trying to convince sponsors. Abeku, you are my witness. How many times have I been telling that with you, Charlie? But I'm not going to sponsor me. And you even connecting directly to the marketing manager, trying to push things for creative arts to work. Then you come out, we companies don't want to work with you anymore. Now you come out, Ghana showbiz doesn't pay. You don't get any. Even people doing McDonald's job in America.
Yes, I said stop. If you're possible to stop, that's not my business.
What are you doing in
Other
Ghana?
people didn't get attacked. They didn't feel attacked. I said stop.
Because Aaron,
this is
you
true.
think very good at it. Why can't you go to America and be the next to
People go and check for how many hours.
Him or not? So that we know that you are pursuing your but we are here minding our business, trying to secure poverty, trying to encourage the companies to invest in us.
What are you saying?
As I speak to you now, how easy is it for a musician to secure poverty or to secure funding?
But DKB, why don't you give the same advice to Akwiapim Polo? DKB.
You're tarnishing the image of our industry.
Why don't you give the same advice to Akwiapim Polo?
Then stop removing yourself, because if you start dressing decently, people will contact you, people will work with you, and then you will know that Ghana showbiz industry, they are good.
All right, fair enough.
In 3 of Lily Rice adverts.
Okay, so DKB.
I've been doing stuff for Huawei.
Yes, we know. DKB, we know the stuff that you've been doing. But my question is, DKB. Hello, Efia, hold on. DKB, hold on. So, DKB, why don't you give the same advice to Akwiapim Polo, your friend?
Akwiapim Polo, you have no idea how I back her. Akwiapim Polo is not consistently Rodros. She just thought she could, do a media gimmick.
What did he just say?
And then it backfired with the nudity with the child. I was always on her every single day.
Did you condemn her? Did you condemn her on social media?
Are you telling me?
Did you condemn Akwiapim Polo publicly?
I fought Rosemont and prevented her from releasing some kind of pictures.
Did you condemn Akwiapim Polo publicly? Did you condemn Akwiapim Polo publicly like you did to Efia Odo?
Okay, I think what you're getting wrong here is this.
Yes or
I'm not condemning her over her lifestyle or her Rodros. No.
Bruh, yes or no? You're doing too much talking.
I'm putting in check for her to know that if you continue with that Rodros, No company will sponsor you.
So why don't you check Akuapem Polo? Same way you want to check her.
Akuapem Polo didn't say that the show business doesn't bring money.
So whether Akuapem Polo has said anything or not, are you supporting what Akuapem Polo is also doing on social media?
This string and Brazier ambassador. 30 people this string and Brazier. If you don't know, I
have a bikini line. So you said bikini, I'll bet you home.
But the shortcoming from your lifestyle, which is costing you and him, don't conclude on our showbiz, how do you call it, space on that.
If you're fucking me or giving me money or taking care of me, then you can worry about me.
And Ghana showbiz industry, you don't get money. You don't get this.
All right, so guys, thank you so much. I think we have to end it here. Akuapem Polo, Otu baby, and DKB supporter. Efia Odo, DKB said, Aro Dross Bebre, and Untina Unya sponsorship. Any brand deals. DKB say or no obe check or baby ube our social media. So yeah, that's it.
OKFM 101.7.